Today I'll be discussing with you how to make a one-dimensional array or it is called a vector using the command C. Okay, how to make a vector in R using the command C. Okay, let us see how it can be done. Suppose we want to make a vector A using the command. We are using the command C 1 to 5. Okay, so we have made a vector A. The name of it is a vector A using the command C, and this tells 1 to 5. Okay, so let us see what is there in that. Just type vector A, and you can see it is a one-dimensional array with 1 to 5. Okay, so we can access it by one number each. Suppose you want to retrieve the item with number 4. What to do? Vector A 4. So always it starts from 1 to like that. One index 1 will be having the first item. So let us see what is in the 0. Okay, in 0. So in 0 we'll get, it tells it is an integer one-dimensional array. Okay, integer. So let us see. Let us make another vector. Okay, another single-dimensional array C. So I am again giving 1 to 5, and then I am giving one string also, hello. Okay, and now let us see what is inside that. Okay, so you can see now even the 1 to 5, that is being converted to string. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. One peculiar feature of this vector in R is that it will hold only one type inside that. Either it can be, everything can be a number, a numeric, integer or something, or everything can be a string. So even though I gave here 1 to 5, it is numbers, and then hello, entire thing is converted to string, as you can see. Now if I type vector B 0, it tells its character. Okay, it contains characters. Even the 1 to 5 was converted to character. So what is the length of that vector B? Length equals to 6. That means 6 items were inside that. That's what. Now if you want to know the characters, number of characters, vector, you can see, yeah. So it gives 1 1 1 1 1, and then number of characters and 5. So this is what it is showing. The function ncar, that it gives number of characters. Hope you understood. Now you can access one item from that. Suppose you want to use 6. Okay, to show, it will give hello. That's what. So you can access it like that also. I hope you understood. So there are different functions that can be associated with these vectors in R. I'll show you a few of them. So now let us make an single dimensional array or a vector fruits. Okay, I'm going to see. I'm going to type the name of some fruits: mango, apple, orange. Okay, so I have made a vector fruits. Okay, so now suppose I want to access one by one fruits 3. Okay, it will give orange. Now 4, I am giving papaya. Okay, so I have added a 4th element. Okay, so let us see what now what will be fruits. It has got now four elements. Okay. So now suppose I want to retrieve mango, apple and orange. What will we do? Fruits 1, 2, 3. Okay. To give mango, apple and orange. Okay. Suppose I want this in the reverse order. Okay, what to do? Just give 3 is to 1. You got orange, apple and mango in the reverse order. Okay, so fruits 4 will give papaya. So I'm asking you, if I type fruits -4, what you will get? -4. So before I was typing fruits 4, I got papaya. Now I'm typing fruits -4. Okay, what you will get? Let us see. You will get, except for the fourth item, everything will get. That's what. Okay. So fourth item was papaya, except fourth item. Okay. You got mango, apple, orange. Okay. So that's what. So suppose now 3 minus 3 2 -4. Okay. So except for the -3 and -4, you got first two. So this is what. So you can extract the vectors using positive and negative values 1, 2, 3, 4 and -4, -3, -2 and -4. Suppose one more example. First names I am making a vector. First names okay, I made a vector, and last names okay, two vectors I have made. Now I can combine these two. I mean, I can use a paste function. Paste first name mistake is there, comma last names. Okay, first names. Okay, what you got the first item of the first names and first item of the last names taken together, and like that you got iron anididin and alkali. You can give separate also. Base function has got a separator. Let's see. I'm giving equal to sign. Okay. Oh. Okay. You can give a separator and then this. Okay. Suppose one more example I'll show you. First names I am giving a few more names. Okay. Ayush. Okay. And then first names. Sorry, I want to change the first names. Okay, last names the same thing. First names I want to change. Right. Okay. Now if I do the paste function, you can see what happened. See, first names had 4 items and last names had 2 items only. But when I pasted that, I got Iron Anirudhan, Alka Reddy and Ayush Anirudhan, Varun Reddy, because the last names had only 2 items, but that 2 items is taken again. It is repeated. Okay, we had 4 items in the first names and two items in the last names, so that last names item is repeated again. That's why I got this one. I'll show you a few more examples now. Suppose I'm making another vector a c 1 2000. I can simply find the sum of this one, sum a. Okay, you get the sum of all the elements in that. Okay, or as a proof, if you want, okay, 5. A will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you give a sum, you can get 15. Okay, so you get the sum of the items in the single dimension array with this command sum. So there are a lot of commands are there which can be used in a vector. Another command is repeat. Repeat 77 10. So 77 will be repeated 10 times. So same thing can be done for an array. C 1 2 3. C 1 2 3 will be repeated 10 times. Okay. So a lot of commands are there that can be used. So what I explained to you is how you can play around with a single dimensional array or a vector, how a vector can be created, how a vector can be accessed. The main property of vector is it can contain only one type of item in that. Either it can be a number, either it can be a numeric value, or either it can be a string. You cannot combine one integer and one integer and one character inside that. Okay, and then there are different functions that can be operated on. Suppose you want to know about a function, the command is question mark and then sum. It will show you a help of the sum here. So question mark and then the function, it will show you the help of that. Okay, so there are different functions can be associated with the vectors. I showed you some of them and how they can be accessed. They can be accessed by number. Suppose a5 will give 5. Suppose you give a6 to give na, not applicable. Okay, so always it starts with 1 and ends with, it starts with 1 and 0 will give you what type of that. Okay, suppose you type a0, show you what it is having an integer. Okay, suppose we are giving b c 1.5 to 5.5. Okay, and then b 0, it will show you numeric. Okay, instead of integer it will show you numeric. Okay, these are things that you can do with the vectors. There are a lot of things are there. I took the important ones. Please go through. And one thing, it is different from list. List I will take you later. Today I have just taken single dimension array or a vector, how to access. You can use minus values and then you will get the except that. So if you ever in doubt, you can just comment it and get back to you. Okay, thank you.